Nobody is going to be expecting this next Bitcoin move. Right now is not going to be the time to be getting fooled because Bitcoin is preparing a major trap. So do not get fooled right now. Can Bitcoin be breaking above this level of resistance? Bitcoin is still about to see huge volatility. We need to be talking about that. About the altcoins because the Bitcoin dominance is right now breaking down. About meme coins, about Ethereum and much more. So can you once again push up the likes back above the 150 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's start off with the short term. And in that short term, we can still be seeing that, yes, Bitcoin has still been consolidating in between of these levels of support and resistance, which in my opinion is absolutely fine. As long as we're going to be holding this uptrend, as long as we're going to be holding this most important level of support, well then I still do think that Bitcoin is going to be looking quite bullish over here. And then ultimately, I'm going to be expecting that we are going to be seeing this next move towards the upside. So yes, as long as we're going to be holding above this level of support, where Bitcoin already has been seeing a little bit of a bounce from off, well then definitely I will still remain to be extremely bullish. And while everyone was basically panicking yesterday with the Mt. Gox situation, well, we are just simply having a look into this level of support. I was still bullish at this time. And yes, indeed, Bitcoin is right now actually seeing a little bit of that bounce, which is looking extremely good. Now, if we are going to be having a further look into the short term, we can actually be having a look into a new level of resistance being created, and obviously this level of support. And in that case, we are basically getting squeezed inside a new symmetrical triangle pattern. And yes, I do think that this one is going to be indicating that next Bitcoin move. But more importantly, we need to be having a look into this level of resistance and also at the same time this level of support. We are just creating pretty much a range right now for Bitcoin in my opinion at this current level, and we just need to be deciding whether we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside or towards the downside. And I think that is going to be indicating that next Bitcoin move. But already this breakout, I think, will be the catalyst for a break in either direction. So yes, definitely this breakout is going to be extremely important for Bitcoin for that next Bitcoin move. Now, I do think that we are going to be seeing a break towards the upside because the Bitcoin funding rates are still extremely low, which is just signaling me that we actually rather want to be bullish at these levels right now. On top of that, also that majority of the Bitcoin liquidity is still sitting at the top side, is still actually sitting above this level of resistance. And we do know that Bitcoin tends to move towards a place where that majority of the liquidity is sitting at. Right now, that's liquidity is sitting above this level of resistance. So in my opinion, it will just be very obvious that we are going to be seeing this next move towards the upside. Now, on top of that, also on that larger time frame, we have been creating this insanely bullish bull flag pattern. We've been seeing this breakout. Right now, these breakout retests. So yes, a little bit of a bounce right now is going to be quite inevitable in my opinion. And yes, if we are going to be breaking above this level of resistance, well then I think we are just going to be headed so much higher because at that point we have just confirmed our Bitcoin breakout and it is looking absolutely bullish. Now, anyways, yes, also on that larger time frame, still the Bitcoin volatility is sitting at all-time lows. And I know, guys, I am repeating myself every single day with this signal, but that is just because it is so important. Okay, this signal is not flashing that often, but whenever it does, well, it is going to be the time to be paying attention. And it seems actually quite crazy to me that nobody is really talking about this fact. But yes, each and every single time, whenever the Bitcoin Bollinger Bands are getting squeezed in, well, that signals a huge move is about to come each and every single time. And if we're going to be having a look into what these Bollinger Bands with, well, after reaching this level, well, we created a big move each and every single time. And in my opinion, you do the math. We are creating this huge signal right now, indicating that volatility is about to return towards the market. At the same time, we are creating a massive breakout, and also this breakout over here with this cup and handle pattern, which is yet to break out. So you do the math. With the Bitcoin short term also looking extremely bullish, I think it is going to be inevitable that we are going to be getting a huge move towards the upside getting created anytime soon. At least that is where I'm prepared for. That is what I personally think is about to happen with the market. And yes, I've been saying it literally since these bottoms over here where I've been buying, while literally majority of the Bitcoin people were actually flipping bearish at this exact bottom over here. Well, I've been buying a lot. I've been saying, all right, we are still creating this bull flag pattern and we are about to see a breakout towards the upside. And I'm still saying it till this date. We have been absolutely nailing the market in the recent few months. And if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself with this huge breakout that is up and coming, well, make sure to check out that link down below, because over on CoinW, if you are using this link down below, you can already be claiming a $5 on your initial sign up. On top of that, whenever you open your first futures trade, you are going to be getting another $100 for free. And also you can be claiming a $30,000 deposit bonus. And the best thing is, over on CoinW, there's no KYC required, so everyone all around the world is going to be eligible to be claiming this free trade. So make sure to check out that link down below and claim your free bonuses right now. Anyways, yes, having a look into the altcoins, this is going to be extremely important because the Bitcoin dominance is right now actually breaking towards the downside, getting this confirmation in and even creating some continuation towards the downside, which is looking extremely good for the altcoins, because whenever the Bitcoin dominance is going to be breaking down, well, all of that money will start to flow in towards the altcoins. And the best thing is, in 2 days and 18 hours from recording this video, we are going to be closing our monthly candle. And if we are going to be confirming this significant breakdown, well then, in my opinion, altcoin season is really about to be getting started. So yes, this breakout is going to be extremely important. Now, I have some insane trading opportunities up and coming with altcoins. I'm going to be going all in towards all of these altcoins. I'm going to be sharing all of my trades on these altcoins. It is going to be absolutely insane, so definitely be sure to stay tuned for that. Now, having a look into my meme coins, well, all of my meme coins have just been exploding towards the upside. Brad is already up 150%. Myro is already 3x. Slurf is right now already up 40% from of my entry. And also Mew Mew has already been doubled. So it is actually insane how all of these altcoins have been performing. Also, Ethereum is perfectly on track. I do think that we are going to be seeing these price increases until our ETF launch window. Then we are going to be seeing a similar sell-off just like we saw with the Bitcoin ETF, and then inflows will start to kick in, and then we are going to be getting our exponential bull market. Now, also for Ethereum in that short term, we are creating another ascending triangle right now. So right now for Ethereum, I think should be the time to be paying attention, because also for Ethereum, a big breakout is going to be inevitable, and maybe Ethereum is actually going to be a better trade than Bitcoin right now, because yes, the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin pair is actually looking quite bullish. I still do think that Ethereum is going to be outperforming Bitcoin in 2024. Now, that definitely does not mean that Bitcoin is not going to be performing great, because Bitcoin is already also getting this huge breakout outside of this bull flag pattern. And yeah, you can just be seeing over here, each and every single time Bitcoin has been creating a bull flag pattern, we have been seeing continuation towards the upside. And whenever we have been creating a bear flag pattern, we have been seeing continuation towards the downside. So in my opinion, it is just going to be obvious what that next Bitcoin move is going to be. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.